Kumusta ba ang ating extra and co-curricular activities ng ating mga schools? Sports, BSP, JSP, etc. Good or bad ba sa ating mga learners na may reading problem? React naman kayo dyan. Hi! Welcome to another episode of 15 Minutes with Sir Noni. Reading problems often lead to decreased classroom engagement, creating challenges for both students and educators. Participation of teachers and students in extracurricular and co-curricular activities can influence this dynamic by affecting time allocation and motivation within the school environment. While these activities offer valuable social and developmental benefits, they may also contribute to reduce instructional time and focus, especially for students struggling with reading. Understanding the complex connection between reading difficulties and classroom engagement loss in the context of such activities is essential for developing effective educational strategies. Reading problems and loss of classroom engagement are intricately linked, and the participation of both teachers and students in extracurricular and co-curricular activities influences this relationship in complex ways. Now, let us look at the connection between reading problems and loss of classroom engagement. So, reading difficulties, especially in early grades, significantly increase the likelihood of poor task engagement, behavioral problems, and emotional challenges in later grades. Children with reading problems tend to exhibit reduced task-focused behaviors such as attention and persistence, leading to decreased classroom engagement. Conversely, behavioral issues like off-task or disruptive behaviors can negatively impact reading development by reducing instructional attention and learning opportunities. So this bidirectional relationship suggests that reading problems and classroom engagement loss often reinforce each other, creating a negative feedback loop that complicates intervention efforts. Effective remediation may require simultaneous attention to reading skills and behavioral engagement to break this cycle. Now, the impact of teachers' participation in extracurricular and co-curricular activities on classroom engagement is an issue that we should be looking into. So, the teachers' involvement in extracurricular and co-curricular activities positively affects school culture by fostering stronger relationships with students and creating a more supportive and culturally responsive environment. That is also, participation enables teachers to build trust and rapport with students in less formal settings, which can enhance student motivation and emotional well-being in the classroom, including those with reading difficulties. However, this is it. Teachers often face time constraints that limit their ability to engage extensively in extracurricular activities, and excessive participation might reduce instructional time necessary to support struggling readers. Therefore, balancing teacher commitment and extracurriculars with instructional responsibilities is crucial to maintaining classroom engagement of students with, especially those students with reading problems. Now, what is the impact of students' participation in extracurricular and co-curricular activities vis-a-vis classroom engagement with those students and learners with reading problems? So learners engaged in extracurricular and co-curricular activities tend to show overall academic motivation, show attachment, and pro-social behavior, factors that indirectly support classroom engagement. That is on its positive side. So, participation, furthermore, provides opportunities to develop skills like time management, like collaboration, and self-confidence, which correlate positively with engagement and academic outcomes. Again, however, these activities do not directly improve core reading skills such as fluency or comprehension for students with reading problems. Additionally, students with reading difficulties may struggle to balance academic and extracurricular commitments, potentially risking disengagement if not properly supported. Involvement in structured extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities also facilitates friendship with academically oriented peers, further supporting engagement. Thus, extracurricular participation serves as an indirect but meaningful influence on classroom engagement for reading challenge students. However, if it may result to loss of engagement, it is very, very negative on the reading ability of those students that has reading problem. Now, let us go and look at the integrative perspective on role of extracurricular and co-curricular activities. While extracurricular involvement by both teachers and students supports a positive school climate and student motivation, these activities alone do not remediate reading problems or fully prevent disengagement. For students with reading difficulties, loss of classroom engagement is tied to complex interplays between instructional quality, motivation, behavior, engagement, okay, whereas students' participation fosters social and motivational benefits that directly support classroom involvement. Nevertheless, since reading problems themselves contribute to behavioral challenges and task avoidance, integrative interventions target skills, classroom management, and supportive extracurricular participation, which are essential in addressing the challenge faced by these students who are having difficulty in reading. So in summary, reading problems and classroom engagement loss are bidirectionally linked. Difficulties in reading contribute to behavioral and motivational challenges that reduce engagement, and poor engagement can worsen reading outcomes. The involvement of our teachers in extra and co-curricular activities fosters stronger student relationship and supports school culture, indirectly enhancing classroom engagement, but must be balanced to avoid reduced instructional time. The participation of our learners in these activities support academic motivation. It supports social skills and engagement. However, these activities do not directly improve reading skills and require careful management for students with difficulties in reading. So, effective support for students with reading problems requires addressing both academic and behavioral. Academic and behavioral. Take note. That is academic and behavioral, leveraging the positive relational and motivational effects of extracurricular involvement by teachers and students. Thus, extracurricular and co-curricular activities represent important but indirect factors influencing the relationship between reading difficulties and classroom engagement. Indirect. That is indirect. Highlighting the need for comprehensive strategies that integrate academic instruction, behavioral supports, and positive school culture initiatives. However, the excessive participation of teachers and students in extra and co-curricular activities resulting from loss of classroom engagement is really not good for students who are having difficulties or having reading problems. In conclusion, reading problems and loss of classroom engagement are deeply interconnected, influenced by involvement with both teachers and students in extracurricular and co-curricular activities. While these activities offer important social and motivational benefits, they must be carefully balanced to prevent reducing instructional time critical for supporting struggling readers. Educators should strive to integrate extracurricular and co-curricular participation with targeted academic interventions to maintain student engagement and address reading difficulties effectively. Ultimately, a holistic approach that values both academic support and extracurricular involvement is key to fostering positive learning outcomes. Again, kumusta ba ang policy ng school natin regarding the participation of learners in the extracurricular and co-curricular activities? Thank you for joining us on 15 Minutes with Sir Noni. See you